her water broke. I have to get her to a cat doctor fast. Okay guys, we're here. She's about to have the kittens. I can't wait.
All right, your wife is ready. It's time.
I'm excited. My babies have arrived and I can't wait to raise them.